Alright, this is Shanetta Stafford. I am doing my first look screencast for information architecture class at FSU. So I'm going to start with Carter's. I'm doing it again between Carter's and the Children's Place. Both of them are kids' websites. Carter's have affiliate links or links that you can click on and it takes you to another place. I guess that would be external links. I don't know. Oshkosh, Skip Hop, and Little Planet are also all affiliated with Carter's. Free shipping. They're offering free shipping on $35 or more. You can sign in here, and the things that you like on the website will appear in this link. If you click that, your orders in your shopping cart. It's clear and concise about what they offer. Baby, toddler, kids clothes collections are all the holidays in one area. Easy to shop collections just for you, and that is correct. And the daily deals. The website is very it looks just very clean to me, very white and black, not anything that's like really eye appealing. It reminds me of when I have a newborn. It's kind of like clean. It's like, okay, yes, I can shop here. Very just, I don't know. The only way I can think of it is clean. Also, there's a search bar here. You can type in what you're looking for, or you can click on baby drop down box and then go to here and you can click what you're looking for and you can shop by size. So that's very good that they have that. Also, scrolling down, they have again just popular things. First year's covered. So from newborn to all the things you need for the newborn first year stage. And then they kind of offer their doorbusters, what they call their sales. And then they also divide that up by girl, boy, toddler, girl, baby boy, toddler, and then girl and boy. So by age. Okay, and then you have another ad for what's going on that month. And scrolling down, since summer's coming, they offer, bathing suits and things like that. It's just very descending. It goes from top of the page is babies, and it kind of goes down in age, or goes up in age as you go down the page. And then you have, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you have your social media links, where to find a store, and the about us and the support. So very just point and click and you'll get what you need. Let's move over to the Children's Place. Children's Place, go on and I see right away save 30%. If you get a credit card, they push that in the stores as well as online. They want you to get that credit card. Also, they also have this affiliate or external links here. What you're looking for here, search bar, order help, track your orders, and then you can change if you live in the US or if you're shipping outside of the US or wherever. You can click that link, which I think it's nice to have that option. You can create an account, log into your account, and view your shopping cart. Again, at the top taskbar, you have family outfits clearance in red. That's another way to stand out. And then, of course, girl, boy, toddler, boy, baby, shoes, and accessories. Their website is a bit more flashy, a bit more appealing to a parent who wants to save money. It's more playful, it's more energetic. And also they have, as you scroll down the website, it looks like they're more about the advertising their lower price things. $3.99 is here, 50% off here. So although it may be the same price at both stores, I'm going to click on this one because it's 50% off. So their advertising and marketing is, I think, better than Carter's. Also, they do not have a section to where I can just click on what's going on. Like Carter's had that whole section to where I can find Father's Day stuff, fan gear, Pride stuff, all in one area. They don't have that here. They just have one bar that you can shop. So I'm not sure if I was looking for fan gear. I don't think I'll be able to find it here. Sports gear, I won't be able to find it here. Also, I found this very informative to where they have all their uniforms in school is coming up. You need jeans, and then you have your baby section. So, and then you have Father's Day coming up, so you have your dad outfits, your mom outfits. So I think this is all overall. I think Children's Place, I would shop there. It's a better place to shop because it's offering me more, but the most part, yeah. Then you have your social media and your information here. Help center, shopping, coupons, all of that, mobile app, and corporate information. Hope you enjoyed my screencast. Thank you. Bye-bye.